Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are speaking about the research approach and the design in third BSc nursing, and there will be a long essay in this unit 4, and we will be speaking about the qualitative and the quantitative research design. And in this class I will be explaining about the quantitative research design. Coming to the class, first of all, what do you mean by a research and a design? Research means the unknown things. We are finding the unknown things which we don't know. To express we are finding the unknown things. Design means giving the framework for the research, known as research design. Framework means uh, overall representation of the research. Overall representation of the research, in which we will be studying about quantitative and qualitative. In this research design, there will be two types. Do you know the research design? What do you know about the research design? Definition. Coming to a research design definition, according to the books, overall, it is a overall plan how to carry out the research. This is the definition for the research design, and in this there are two types. Qualitative and quantitative, and I am taking the class on the quantitative research design. In this quantitative research design, again we have two types: experimental and non-experimental. First, research design. Research design means overall plan to how to carry out the research. In this quantitative, experimental and non-experimental. So what do you mean by experimental? Experimental means it is a test. It is a test conducted in a particular setting or a area where the researchers can experiment, like examples like labs, laboratories, or research centers, museums. After finding the research conclusion, there will be settling the things into the museums, like that. And in non-experimental means the test conducted in other particular area, rural areas, rather than the laboratories, rather than the particular setting. There will be non-particular setting, like homes or any other places. Non-experimental is taken place. And in experimental there are three types: coming to the experimental research design, there are three types mainly known as true, quasi, and pre. And in true experimental research design, there are mainly three types: namely manipulation, randomization, and control. Manipulation means the definition we will be manipulation, the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. Suppose rather than the patient, another example you will be speaking, like the drunken peoples. Mainly the drunk peoples, they will be drinking more and more for some 10 period of time. In this, the uh, the person is having more drinks, that is known as a dependent variable, which he can't survive without the alcohol. Like that, it comes under the dependent variable. Independent variable means we are trying to overcome from the alcohol abuse, or the we are trying the patient to overcome from the alcohol symptoms, or to leave the drinking process. We are Manipulation means the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. Independent variable means, suppose we are giving the medications. By the After giving the medications, he will be feeling the nausea, vomiting symptoms. So that the dependent variable means the patient feels that not to take the alcohols. By taking the alcohols, he will be feeling the nausea and vomiting symptoms. He feels like that. Where the dependent variable, the effect of independent variable means the effects of medications is independent variable on the dependent variable. He feels the nausea, vomiting is happening by taking the alcohol, so that he refuses the alcohol for certain period of time or more than the time. By giving these medications, he will be avoiding the alcohol intake. That is manipulation, the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. Coming to randomization. In randomization, sudden selection is taken place. Sudden selection, sudden collection without any plan. Random essential means that every subject has equal chances of being assigned to any group. Random selection means sudden knowing or any Suppose we will be taking the example in a class. A teacher comes and tries to select any of the members. Means she can choose any member, like including boys or girls. There will be no difference. There will be equal and opportunities will be there to all the members, so that the teacher will be selecting any of the students, like in the particular class area. A sudden collection without any plan. A sudden collection without any plan. Random collection means that every subject means every student has equal chance of being assigned to get over in a group. Suppose I have gave the example about the alcohol abuse, where the dependent variable means alcohol. Why I am telling about this control and this independent means, if in a control group we will be controlling about the dependent variable. If we coming to the control groups, there will be using of the dependent variable and the independent variable to overcome from the research. Definition is using the control group. The term control group is another and refers to a group of subjects. Those performance is on dependent. Those using these control groups, those performance is on dependent means controlling the dependent variable is independent variable. Here the effects of independent variable is variable on dependent variable. So in the next upcoming class we will be talking about the quasi experimental, which is a brief introduction. If you like the video, please like, share, comment. Thank you.